sulit kayo mga lalaki.
Kung hindi po siya para sa akin, kunin niyo na po siya, Lord.
Tama ba, sir? Pasok po.
How do you make your husband interested in the
Ito,
kama?
basta baka wala na ako asawa bukas.
Ba't ka naghiwalay ng asawa mo? Baka your performance wasn't at
Oh
par
my
with the
God! We listen and we don't judge.
Sa kwento ni Juan, lahat may boses, lahat ng kwento mahalaga.
Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Nandito na naman po tayo ngayon sa Kwentuhan. And I am Francesca Taruk and I will be your host for tonight's Kwentuhan. Pakilala po natin ang dalawang nagkagandahang dilag. Magagandang dilag.
Gusto ko yung
Magpakilala
dilag.
po
Hindi ko
kayo.
pinakaya yun. Lakas ako virgin. Anyway, ako po si Aliana.
Yes, and ako po si Jeriel.
At sila po ang makakasama natin ngayon sa ating
Kwento.
Init na kwentuhan. Kanina, nakapagkwentuhan tayo na naging single mom ka for 1 year bago mo nakita yung partner
Yes,
mo.
oo. 7 years akong single mom kasi ako lang yung bumuhay sa anak ko and without the help of biological father. Tatanungin mo ba sa akin kung sino yung biological father?
Sino ba yan? Speaking of single mom, nung buntis ka ba, wala na kayo? Or nung after mga anak, kaya ka naging single mom?
No, kasi medyo rocky yung relationship namin eh. On and off, on and off. Tapos finally, when I got pregnant, naging okay kami, tapos nawala kami for a couple of months. Tapos before akong manganak, ayun, bumalik siya. I don't want to dig into details, pero yung detalye na yun, medyo ano talaga siya eh. Pang maalaala mo kaya. Yung
Sa
tipong-
mga hindi nakakaalam, pareho pala kaming naging single mom. Naging kasi baka malapit ko na makilala yung partner. Single mom pa rin at the moment, pero sana... Hello! Kaya niyo po ba siya kasi hindi daw niya pinaalaga yung anak niya for 7 years sa partner niya. Sa akin, sorry ha, requirement po yun. Kapag naging jowa ko, halagahan niyo
Plus
anak ko.
one, yeah.
Kayo ma'am, mommy na rin po ba kayo?
Yes, I'm a mother of 2. And happily married. Yung 2 kids ko ay medyo malaki na talaga.
Binata
Ilang taon na?
Pangkad.
They are...
May jowa?
Yeah.
Sayang.
Meron tayong mga, of course, naging challenges. As a mother, di ba, we have to support and guide our children, plus yung partner natin, yun.
Sa tingin nyo, sa inyong dalawa, sa na-experience mo naging single mom ng 7 years, ano yung pinagkaiba ng experience na may nandyan na yung asawa mo noon, nung buntis ka, ikaw lang mag-isa. For sure, may kanya-kanyang struggle pa rin yan eh.
Oo. Siguro struggles of being a single mom is talaga financially. It's really hard, no? Kasi I have a regular paying job na 20,000, 18,000 lang yata that time. Eh marami pang kaltas kasi I had to take loans kasi nagmasakitin yung anak ko noon eh. So parang neto ko na lang nun, totoo to parang 6,000 na lang a month. So imaginein mo, paano mo pagkakasyahin yun? So buti na lang, nung nabuntis kasi, ito pa, nung nabuntis ako, hindi alam nung employer ko. Oh, buti na lang, very supportive yung employer ko. Na finally, nung nalaman nila, sige, andyan ka ni. O di kesa tanggalin nila ako, di ba? Kasi dati, lalo na
Natanggalin ba?
Oo. Kasi kung
Or leave lang saglit?
if you're not fit for the job, hindi ka irregular. Oo, ganun yun.
Bago ka pa lang noon.
Oo, bago lang ako nun
Parang
eh.
probationary.
Oo, 1 month pa lang ako.
Ay, oo nga.
1 month pa lang ako. So, for example, ako, employer mo, ba't regular, di ba? Kasi subject ka na to maternity benefits, di ba, for that.
Bakit never ka humingi ng support sa dad niya?
Siguro innate lang sa akin na alam to ng father ng dad ko, kaya sa father ng dad ko, isusumbong. De, joke.
Mainit-init
Sa
to,
father ng dad ko, sa father ng dad.
Father
Sanay
ng anak mo?
Sa father ng anak ko, alam niya yon na never akong humingi sa kanya.
Pero hindi siya nag-push.
Di ba? If you're somebody who's very responsible enough, di ba? Ikaw yung magkukusa. Pero ang sinasabi niya, hindi ka kasi lumalapit or hindi ka... Oo, totoo.
Ilan years ba yung age gap nyo nun? Kung ikaw
6 years, I
24,
think.
tama ba
6 years.
24?
Oo.
Matured
6
na pala siya,
years.
31 na siya nun.
Yes. Laking pasasalamat ko na lang. Siguro talaga pinag-adya talaga ni Lord na tama na. Kaya binigay niya na sa akin yung husband ko ngayon. Oo.
Sabi mo kanina, pinag-pray mo siya. As in, paano yung prayers mo? Exact ba na, Lord?
Itong exact prayer ko kasi ito nga as I was saying earlier sabi kasi nung father na let's try it again. Pero yung try it again, ilang beses niya nang sinabi yun.
Ano ba nagiging
in,
problem
ilang beses.
nyo? Bakit hindi kayo nagpa-prosper sa relationship?
Rated PG, pero medyo nananakit siya. Nananakit siya. Very seloso. Isa, okay naman siya, mabait, kaya lang, nananakit. Pagka nagsiselo siya. I don't want to live a life
Yan
na...
naman ang
at
opposite.
Oo, makikita ng anak mo na nasasaktan ka. Even worse, paano kung madama yung bata, di ba?
So yung prayers mo nun,
Siyempre, ito exact prayers ko. Siyempre, in love pa ako that time. Very emotional pa ako that time. Kung talagang hindi na talaga siya para sa akin, baka naman pwede mo akong bigyan ng somebody na makakatuluyan ko na talaga.
akala ko, kung hindi po siya para sa akin, kunin niyo na po siya, Lord. Baka para po sa inyo siya.
Actually, I was about to say that. Pero dahil nasa vlog tayo ngayon.
Recorded. Kayo naman, ma'am, di ba, kasal kayo?
Yes.
Pinag-pray mo rin ba yung husband mo?
Siguro binigay talaga siya para sa akin. And siguro the challenge doon ay more on the communication kasi pareho kaming dominant. And medyo mahirap pagsamahin yung...
Parehong alpha kayo.
Sino
so
nag-adjust?
mukhang ako.
Feminine
Yeah.
pa rin, no?
Oo. Kasi I believe babae pa rin yung magdadala nung or magdadrive ng relationship. Kasi you will understand ano yung situation, regardless if it's financial, communication. So kung ano ibigay sa inyo, happy path, bad path. So babae pa rin ang, for me, babae pa rin yung
I
nagdadala.
think it makes sense, no?
Yeah.
Babae.
Tinatanong ko to para pag naging wifey, ako alam ko yung gagawin ko.
Kasi the girls usually adjust eh.
Oo,
para
sila
maramdaman ng partner mo, paano mo siya alagaan. Oo, teamwork kasi hindi siya pwedeng siya lang, hindi pwedeng ako lang. So, para maging maganda yung future, kailangan sabay kayo.
Ikaw sa married life mo, anong masasabi mong nagbago compared sa dati?
Siguro ang gusto ko sa relationship ngayon, compared sa mga past relationships ko is, mas naging magkaibigan kami.
May friendship.
More than the love. Kasi the love is always there eh. Pero kung puro love lang siya, without the friendship, masyado siyang mabilis mabuwag. Kasi kami parang barkada kami. Ang dami nga nagsasabi when we're together, out with friends or out with colleagues, parang talaga akala nila magtropa lang kami. Kasi yung mga gusto namin, nagja-jive sa isa't isa.
Oo.
And whenever we have differences, talagang saludo talaga ako sa husband ko, kaya niya mag-bend for me. Oh, kaya niya i-bend yung mga decisions niya for me. And he always seeks my inputs in every decisions he's making.
Sabi, di ba naging strong, independent woman ka? So, sino din sa inyo yung alpha, yung dominant? May ganun din ba sa inyo?
Oo. Ako, I can say, ngayon, alpha ako. Pero when it comes to the decision, lagi kong
Pagkakatiwalaan yung desisyon niya.
pinagkakatiwalaan ang desisyon ng asawa ko.
Sabi nga nila parang yun yung gusto ng lalaki na
Oo, they will feel na
man sila, lalaki sila.
Oo.
Tama ba, sir?
Correct.
Gusto nyo kayo nasusunod sa mga desisyon?
Decision making. Correct.
Depende. So,
Depende sa decision.
Kung nasa...
kung nasaan?
Parang na-imagine ko. Oo.
Na-appreciate nyo ba yun kapag yung desisyon nyo yung pinipili? Sabi na kaya pinipili
Bigay
ko
na
kasi
natin
akong
sa kanila.
tama Sabi na sige, nakukuha ko yung advices niyo dapat. Ikaw tama. Tama ka.
Tama ka.
Ay,
Bigay
maganda
natin sa
yan.
kanila.
Oo.
Tama. Oo, maganda. Promise napapansin ko sa asawa ko. Gusto niya yung binavalue yung opinion niya.
Yung na ano yung ego niya, ganun.
Tsaka gusto nila, for example, ito yung secret na, sa asawa ko. Secret na feeling ko very effective hanggang ngayon. Kahit na ilang beses niya na nakwento,
Ano yan?
dapat you'll make him feel na first time niya yung kinuwento. Na parang excited ka pa rin na marinig yun, na ito na, kasi usually yung mga girls,
Tumatawa po yung mga lalaki dito.
Narinig ko na yan
Everyone.
usually mga girls, di ba? Lalo na kapag very busy yung mga girls. Oo. Paulit-ulit kayo mga lalaki. Alam mo,
Akala ko mga babae pa ulit-ulit.
promise pa nagkukwento. Hindi, oh.
Hindi, sir.
Wow. Yan na.
Isang beses lang.
Yo, sa mga kwentuhan lang naman.
Parang, talaga?
Oo. Siguro kasi sa kagustuhan nila na laging mag-share sa'yo, you just make them feel na you're
Hindi,
always...
wala kang idea. Wala ka pa idea sa pinag-uusapan.
Oo nga pala, ganon. Pero hindi naman ako nagpapanggap na hindi ko siya naalala. Oo nga pala, nakwento mo nga pala yan. Tapos, i-expound niyo ulit yung kwento na yon.
You listen
Imagine
again.
ko.
Yes.
Kayo, ma'am, ano yung nyo? Gusto ng asawa mo sa'yo? Yung nagagawa mo, like siya, support talaga, kahit yung kwento niya 100 times na, talaga? Wow! Ikaw, anong tingin mo? Secret mo naman.
But siguro sa amin, more on, mas gusto niya yung ako yung nagde-decide. Parang it's other way around.
Oh.
Mas binibigay niya sa akin yung decision.
Yes po, may question
May
po tayo
point
sa
question.
ating viewer dito,
Yes.
live viewers. Okay, pasok po. Andito po ang
Let's
ating...
welcome the Trigger Man.
Iti-trigger niya
Yes,
talaga yung
trigger
ano.
niya.
He's a very well-known DJ.
Hi, welcome on
Yes.
our
Francine
Kwentuhan.
and everybody, Kwento Juan. Can I ask the question before? Anyway, this is your portion eh. This is a question
Yes.
that since everybody is in a relationship, you know, feeling ko kasi this world is made up of relationship. Without relationship,
Correct.
na parang nothing.
it's nothing, di ba? So, after the sex,
Sakit
after the sex. When I say
mahilig
after the
mag-sex.
sex, not after yung hindi yung galing sa kama.
Okay.
Itong sinasabi ko, when the sex
The
drives
fire
has
dries.
dried up, the fire is done, how do you keep your man with you? When there are so many angelic faces and sexy curves out there, how do you keep your man?
How do you keep the fire
How
burning?
do I keep my man? Siguro I always make him interested sa akin, not just sa kama, but also kasi siguro depende kasi sa asawa
Pwedeng
ninyo.
mamaya may sushoot akong question
Yes.
ulit. How do you make your husband interested in the
Ito,
kama?
In the kama yung
Kasi,
ano.
Mamaya
ito
na
na nga,
yun, mamaya na yun.
depende kasi siya sa partner. Kung ano yung interest ng partner mo, you make him interested all the time. And dapat, mapaparamdam mo sa kanya na gusto ko laging umuwi sa'yo. Regardless kung hindi sex or what. Kasi sa totoo lang, hindi naman, tama ka eh, when you reach a part of your marriage,
Talaga nag-dry up
talaga
yun.
na-dry up. Hindi dahil...
That's so sad.
Oo, totoo yun. Hindi dahil
It's a
na
sad
nagkakasa-
reality,
Yes.
but you have to face up to it, di ba?
Correct. At
So
hindi
how do
naman-
you put that up?
Correct. Hindi
Curious
naman-
siya.
Yeah, kasi I'm still a virgin eh.
Kayo din ba?
What?
Nada-dry up. Parang nawawalan din ng gana.
Hindi. May Viagra ngayon at saka ano eh, so hindi ko madadra.
Hindi kasi diba dumadating sa relationship na parang nawawala na yan. Sa guys ba, nawawala din yan?
Your point about you
It's
know,
not about
keeping
sex.
your man,
It's not
keeping
about
your
sex.
man and making your man appreciating
Yes.
your man is very important.
Yes.
Because if he feels like
Validated siya,
na
gusto siya.
hindi siya validated, like yung sinasabi mo nagkukwento, those are very important
Yes.
aspects eh. Because beyond bed, because everybody grows old eh, di ba? And one of these days we're gonna be old and what are we here for? It
Correct.
becomes platonic, di ba?
Correct.
So dapat importante 'yun eh kasi pagiging pagsasama eh.
And you always make him involved in everything. Hindi naman dahil ibibigay mo sa kanya lahat ng burden. You make him involved and make some activities that will make you guys interested. You share your interests. For example, kahit na sa bahay lang, kami ang favorite namin na ng asawa ko is manood ng movies, manood ng series. Ayun, yung simpleng ganung bagay lang na
Are
may
you still
mapag-usapan.
attracted to your husband?
Of course I am.
I mean, sexually attracted?
Super.
Ilan
Kasi
years
ako yung,
na?
sa totoo
How many
lang,
years na?
ako yung sexually dominant sa amin
Okay.
dalawa.
All right.
Oo.
So, are you the one who initiates it or no?
Nangangalabit?
Ako yung, tama yung sinasabi ko, tabang wala na ako asawa bukas.
Parang ano na
Hindi,
to,
kasi
midnight
ganito.
usapan.
Hindi ganito. Ako yung mas may sex drive, but gusto
How
ko
old is he
kasi,
ba?
ako yung inaakit. He's 42.
Oh, he's very young.
But he's super tired with work. Sobrang, yung demands ng trabaho niya is,
Do you
kaya
think,
sobrang naiintindihan ko siya.
feeling mo ba hindi na siya tumitingin sa iba?
Hindi.
Feeling mo, oo pa rin.
Ang bilis ko. Because I know.
Okay, wala. Ikaw, ba't ka naghiwalay ng asawa mo?
Maraming babae, hindi ko
Ang
kaya.
ganda-ganda mong yan,
Yun
iniwalayan
nga,
ka.
hindi ko rin alam ba't ganun yung lalaki.
Baka your performance wasn't at
Oh
par
my
with the
God!
others. We have to find
Wait lang,
that out.
manunood
pare.
muna ako
We
sa
have to
bilang.
find- Can we check on that? Tatanungin natin yung ex mo kung bakit naging
Oh my God.
What about you? It seems that
Yun
you're
nga.
having a perfect relationship
Yeah.
with ano.
Wala na sa
Yeah.
yeah,
You're probably
Definitely.
101% in bed. That's why.
Ay!
Tingin mo ba, yun yung
How did you
pinakamalaking sa lalaki
You know,
para mag-hold?
May factor talaga. May
Really,
factor talaga
that's a
yun.
big part of, in my case,
Para alam natin perspective ng
Oo,
lalaki.
kasi siguro
Totoo.
pag tumanda ka na at yung sexual drives mo, wala na, okay na yun eh. Ang mangyayari doon, you know what happens is, it's a relationship again that happens when the sexual drive is not there. This is from my point of view.
Yes.
But, when you're young, when you have the sex drives, I think
Make the
Utilize
most
it.
out of it.
Yeah.
Let's go.
let's go. Sabi nga ng boss ko dati, hanggang tumitigas pa yan, dapat gamitin mo.
Oo.
Kasi darating ang panahon, wala na yan. So dapat you have to maximize it.
Correct.
If it's okay to ask, are you married, sir?
No, I'm not.
Why?
I'm gay.
Uy.
No, I have 7 kids. I have 7 kids. I have 6 mothers for them.
Oh, really?
Are you
Yeah.
serious?
Sino
I
ang sinwerteng dalawang anak
Ha?
sa 6 mothers?
May twins ako eh.
Oh.
Kaya naging 7 kids,
Yeah.
tapos 6 mom, yung isa twin.
Yan. Gusto
Siguro
nga nilang
kasi-
ilagay yung sa sa
Sino
TV.
dun yung, ano mo ngayon?
I have a 24-year-old girlfriend.
Wow.
But we're not You know, it's pretty difficult.
Why? Ito ba dahil
Why?
sa...
Sa sexual?
Sa sex?
No. Before I came here, we had sex nga eh.
That's good. Good for you.
Yeah, what I'm trying to say is, it's not basically sex then which drives the relationship eh. It's
Bakit siya out of the 6 mothers?
siya yung
Pinaka-recent.
pinaka-recent na nakilala ko eh.
I know it.
Kasi,
I know
What
it.
happened to the other
kasi
mothers?
The other mothers are they're old and gray. I don't like them anymore. No. That's no. The point is, she came at the right time at the right place. I'm not really so choosy, but you have your standards, di ba? Darating sa point na may timing eh. Yun. At your lowest point, I could probably have gotten somebody na very, kung ano man siya, but at my lowest point, and they give you the comfort that you need to back you up, most likely, I would have been with that person.
I have a question for you though.
Yes.
When it comes to guys, does maturity comes into the equation when you get to choose the right woman for you?
Very complicated question. First of all, guys are physically attracted to women. That's in my
Yun talaga
case,
yung number
Yes.
one.
physical attraction. Kaya ako minsan sinasabi nila, hindi, laro lang to. So later on, gusto mo na palang magseryoso, na-in love ka dito, ito palang babaeng to, gusto rin ng laro. Mahilig
makes
uminom,
sense,
mahilig.
makes
So
sense.
it's really difficult to impose your maturity when you're having a relationship. Laro na kung laro ka lang initially, then later on, eto ka na. You're immersed into it and you can't
Yeah.
go out. You're trapped. So it's important then, you cannot teach your heart who to love eh. Correct? Di ba?
Yes.
Correct.
Sa 6 mothers, wala kang nakaano talaga doon, yung puso mo.
Everybody naman, I love them all eh.
Bakit tingin mo wala
They
kang naano?
discovered that
Oo.
I was gay.
Eh? Eh?
No. Well, siguro kasi during the time, I'm not trying to push my seat up, no? During the time when I was in LS 97.1 and you know that, di ba?
Yes, I'm a fan.
Oh, okay. I was one of the most popular DJs in
Oh,
the
wow.
land.
Wow.
Okay. And
90s.
women came and go. Para lang, anyway, hindi naman TV to eh, di ba? So, ang daming babae from all universities and one day they'd come over, 4 women in a day, 5 women in a day, young ones.
We listen and we don't judge.
No, really. This is what happened.
And I think it made sense na as you get older, medyo nababawasan
You
na
mellow
yung
down.
you
You
mellow,
mellow
down
down.
in everything.
You need to know, as you grow older, what is the most important thing in your life? Is it
Exactly.
money?
Exactly.
Is it your work? Or is it relationship?
Totoo.
Relationship is number 1 for me eh.
Yung sabi mo kanina, family, ganyan, tapos annulment, tingin mo yung iba, kahit di na sila magkaintindihan, hindi makapag-annulment dahil sa mga bata, para complete lang yung family.
Parang lahat
For the
naman
sake
ganun.
of the
Alam mo,
children.
For the
let's
sake lang
stay.
ba?
Alam
Kahit
mo,
di na kayo
I
magkaintindihan.
was into that. Hindi kami kasala. Many years ago, may kambal ako. Sabi ko, kambal ito.
2 buhay yan.
Dalawang buhay. And if I separate, mapapabayaan. But you have to make a choice eh. Are you gonna waste your life? Because these kids are gonna grow up and they will understand.
Correct.
So you have to move out of that mentality and know that you have your own life. One day, they'll leave you eh. And you start your own life, di ba? You have to start your own family where you're gonna be happy. initially though, magagalit sila or what. But they will understand that eh. Paano naman? Pagtanda mo.
Sinong
Pagtanda
kasama
mo, kayo na lang dalawa eh, di ba?
Kasi ngayon, di ba, parang ang dami ng co-parenting. Kunwari si Sarah tsaka si Richard. Pero nagagalit yung mga tao na kawawa naman yung dalawang bata.
No.
Pinili nyo yung
Hindi
sarili nyo,
naman.
gano'n.
Actually, yung generation ngayon, at saka yung panahon ngayon, mas open na kasi that when you separate with your partner or your spouse, it becomes a taboo na parang, ay, pagka nagkaroon ka ng partner, ang dating agad kabit. Kahit na hindi na talaga kayo okay together,
Hindi ako
right?
naging
Yung
ganun
comment kasi ngayon pa rin,
Oo,
ganyan, di
pero
ba?
ngayon, pero for me,
traditional.
masanay na ang tao ngayon sa na makakita na hindi sila nagkatuluyan but they do co-parenting. Kaya nga nagkaroon ng term ngayon na co-parenting eh because before
Wala naman yan
walang
dati.
ganun dati. Walang ganun.
Ako, I have all my kids with me.
Nice, that's
Yeah.
good.
Yeah.
Ang
Took them all.
galing. Eh, kamusta yung mga moms?
Kasi provided.
May
They have
kanya-kanya
their
na ring
own family.
family,
The
okay.
only one that I'm with now is a 24-year-old, but the rest of my kids, the twins, meron na nag-graduate, may head nurse na. They were with me when if they want to. They're with me. My small ones. I think not that I'm saying that I'm a better parent, no.
Hindi naman.
But siguro sabi ko, I'd
You
like
have a choice talaga.
Yeah. I mean, sabi ko naman, when you grow older, when you understand, you can always go back to your mom. But for now, let me instill to you what I know so you grow up to be responsible, fearing God, and all.
Correct. Kamusta na sila?
Sino?
Kamusta na yung panganay mo? Yan.
Yung panganay ko,
Oo.
my panganay is
I'm
is
sure
in the
gwapo yun.
States. Very, looks like Ding Dong Avanzado. I'll show you the picture. Oo. They were getting him before
Celebrity.
for,
How
ano.
old is he?
He's 40 plus.
40 plus?
Oo.
Saan ang anak mo?
But don't ask me
40?
how old I am, ah. Yeah, 40. He's 40 years
Tingin mo
old.
hindi naman sila lumaki na, di ba sabi kasi na paghiwalay yung parents, may kulang sa bata.
There is.
Yes.
There is. Pero sila na ang dapat magpuno nun. Kasi, would you rather have...
Kakaibang perspective to, ah.
Would you rather makita ng mga anak mong nag-aaway kayo, not on the same bed, may iba kayong kasama, or living your own lives, being happy with a new partner? Isn't it better for them to see you smiling and happy? Diba? Mas
Makes
okay
sense.
yon. I think the idea here is to always be happy and smiling. Pag hindi ka smiling, kawawa naman pati sila magiging negative. Diskarte or diploma?
May mga requirement yung mga job minsan na kailangan may diploma ka.
Grade 6 lang natapos niya. Alam mo kung ano siya ngayon? Car dealer. One of the biggest second-hand car dealers.
Kasi wala silang lalaki. Chance ko na to!
Naniniwala ba kayo sa swerte o sa hard work? Magaling. Madiskarte.
What is the idea of 2021? Can I call our producer? Ang yabang mo daw. Back to sex life.
Kwento ni Juan.
Kwento 1!